This is the Hisense U6 PRO ULED Mini LED 75-inch TV. Today we are unboxing it. If you are looking for a big screen with stunning picture quality at a great price, stay tuned. Let's see what is inside, how to set it up, and if this TV is worth it. Hisense packed this well, so let's open it up. Inside we get the user manual, power cable, a remote control, and metal stands. Now let's carefully lift the TV out. Since it's a 75-inch screen, it is best to have someone help you. Before we turn it on, let's fix the stand. First, lay the TV face up on soft surface, like a bed or table, to avoid scratches. The stand has two metal legs, each is labeled L for left and R for right. Just align them with the screw holes at the bottom of the TV and tighten them with a screwdriver. That is it, super easy. Now carefully lift it up and place it on your TV stand. It's stable and looks great. Time to power it on. The U6 Pro features a 4K ULED mini LED display, full array local dimming, and quantum dot technology for amazing colors and deeper contrast. Also, the remote has dedicated button for Netflix, YouTube, and other streaming apps, making it super convenient. The colors are vibrant, the blacks are deep thanks to Dolby Vision and HDR10+. Whether you're watching movies or gaming, this TV delivers. And that is it, the Hisense U6 PRO ULED Mini LED 75-inch TV is unboxed, set up and ready to go. If you are looking for a big screen TV with premium features at a budget price, this is worth considering. Let me know in the comments what you think about this TV. Don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for the full review.